Hey guys, it's Mike Neeks. We just got a really good idea. We're gonna walk around town shirtless with a sign that says
Honk if we're hot.
Honk If We're Hot.
Mom, that was perfect timing.
Oh my god. Sarah made our sign and she's gonna be our cameraman, woman, whatever.
Yeah!
All the neighbors are coming outside like, why is everybody honking outside my house?
Actually, none of the neighbors. We got more not than hunks.
Yeah, there's honk if we're hot, don't if we're not. Woo! Yeah! It works, dude. I swear, when I blow the kisses, yeah! 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 He said put your shirt back on. Yeah! Old people. Yeah! Old people, horny old people. That's what we got. That's what we got on our hands. Horny old people.
And men.
So many cars. No honks. Like, it's funny when you get the guys in the trucks by themselves who honk. That creeps me out a little. Yeah! That guy's disgusted. He's oh, that is just.
You beat the horn and we're divorcing, honey.
There's a nasty storm coming. Honk if we're hot. Yeah! Yeah!
Yeah, son.
Yes!
Two old men in a truck. Not good.
That's how I like it.
That was really creepy.
Starting to rain.
Starting to rain and we're... It's raining! It's pouring! The old man is on a sign. I'm wet!
Statistically, studies have shown that cars that honked when Mike was holding the sign were filled with old men.
Statistically, when Nico was holding the sign, we didn't get any honks at all.